we'll be unboxing the SHOKZ OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. And these are the ones in orange. To open the package here, a little tab here to pull off. I was hoping to get the sleeve off, you know, with enough carefully taking it off, but it was stuck onto this part right here. So yeah, there's a way you can probably cut it off, but yeah, no one got time for that. Alright, so we take off the cover here. Carefully. You always got to be careful of QR codes and barcodes. So we got here this, what is this card? The serial number and the product warranty. And user guide. And this, we have reflective strips. Not really sure what that's about. I wonder how these are used. Reflective strips usage tips. Reflective material helps you stand out in low light conditions. However, it is not a substitute for a caution. Always be aware of your surroundings, especially at night. The product contains small parts that could be a choking hazard for young children. Keep out of reach of children. While reflective products are safe for most fabrics, we recommend testing a small area on the inside of the garment first to assure compatibility. Disclaimer: this sample is provided free of charge. By using it, you agree to assume the responsibility of any damages that may arise. The company holds no liability for any direct, incidental, consequential, indirect, or punitive damages caused by the use of this product. In very, very tiny letters from very far away. Alright, so let's just put this stuff back and out of the way. And now we have the case here. And it looks like it might be some water resistance because it looks like they're covering the zippers. So it may not be waterproof, but at least they're gonna try to keep the water from going through the zippers if you get it wet. Let's open it up. And these are the OpenRun Pro 2 in orange. I love the orange. It's fox colored. And here we have the on and off button, then the volume down button. Then we have here the charge for the USB 2 cable, which is different from the ones previously. They had magnetic connections, like the original OpenRun Pros. Alright. It looks like it doesn't come out. Just gonna have to like pull back this and pull the cable out. They really don't want you to pull that out. They don't want no pulling out. And here we have a USB A to USB C. Doesn't appear to be anything else in there that I can tell. Now, here comes the moment of truth. I have a big head, and usually the normal sized ones fit. And I measured, and it says that I'm not in the recommended size for the OpenRun Mini, the OpenRun Pro 2 Mini. So let's just give it a try. But first, let me remove my OpenRun Pros that I had on, that I forgot I had on. That's how good they are. Kind of forget that you're wearing them. Even with my massive head, the OpenRun Pro 2s still fit. Very nice. It's like barely any slack. It's just right there resting against the back of my head. Fits. It feels nice. It doesn't feel as squeezing. And this has been the OpenRun Pro 2 Mini.